TMZ/Getty Composite. Linda O'Leary, wife of Shark Tank star Kevin O'Leary, has been found not guilty in her criminal trial for a 2019 fatal boat crash on a Canadian lake. As we reported, Linda had been charged with careless operation of a vessel, and was accused of drinking alcohol before the boat she was driving struck another, killing 2 passengers. The verdict was just right in court, not guilty, and the judge rejected any suggestion O'Leary was impaired by alcohol at the time of the boat crash, concluding that alcohol played no part in the accident. Gallery Launch Gallery. The Nautiques Boat Damage Launch Gallery. An acquittal will be entered in the case, and Linda's off the hook for any criminal charges. However, the O'Learys are still facing a wrongful death suit for the fatal crash. They were sued in late 2019 by the family of one of the victims, alleging Kevin and Linda were incapable of safely operating the boat because their judgment was impaired by alcohol, drugs or fatigue. Gallery Launch Gallery. O'Leary's boat crash damage launch gallery. As we first told you, photos of both damaged boats were revealed during the criminal trial, showing the impact's brutal aftermath.